to yet another travel vlog. Guys, we are about to do one of the most adventurous things of my life. We are headed to the Limestone Caves and I am literally trekking through the creek that we just came from right now, and it is going to be a 1 kilometer trek. I'm so excited. It's drizzling a little bit, guys, so you can see. I got my umbrella with me, my sun hat. I look like a complete goofball, but oh my gosh, this adventure is gonna be insane. Another forest trek up to Mud Volcano, which is the only standing volcano in the Andamans that erupts mud. How epic is this? It's about to rain very soon. The tide is so high. Look at this. Look at this. We are in the middle of the ocean right now. The boat is epic, but we cannot get off on this pretty island. Ah, but just look at the waters. Look at the color. It's like turquoise. Oh my gosh. Never have I experienced something like this. Sitting in a boat, swaying up and down in the middle of a creek waiting for some parrots. Whoa! What an incredible vacation I've had. Oh my gosh. Andaman is a once in a lifetime opportunity that I would recommend everyone to come visit at least once in your life. Beautiful beaches, amazing culture, friendly people, so much to see. and what a place to relax at. I'm telling you guys, this is a trip I will never ever forget in my life. That's it for today's travel vlog, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to catch you guys again soon. Until next time, your Bombay Gal signing off. Until next time.